This is how to delete Microsoft Entra ID. From your Microsoft Entra Admin Center, go to Entra ID and click Overview. Go to Manage Tenants, and we will delete the tenants. So we will delete this new tenant. Click Delete, and we will comply this required action. So we need to delete users first, and we will delete this. So this is just a user, and just click delete, and we'll go back to delete. And next we will get permission to delete Azure resources. So just scroll down and just toggle this one to yes and click save. And we will go to delete tenant. Just refresh, and status are all green, and we can delete this one. And let's go back to overview. Let's go to manage tenants, and we have deleted the tenant. So this is how to delete Microsoft Entra ID.